Ito guys, ang ating ipapakita ngayon ay mga gems, no, or mga birdstones, no. Ayan, makikita natin talaga yan, no. Ito kasi, ang problema kasi niyan at hindi din talaga yan anong tawag diyan? Hindi din talaga yan hindi siya masasanla. Okay, kasi nga kahit mahal yung mga crystals, no, hindi din talaga siya masanla, mga madam. No, ayan siya. So this is pink, no. Oh, this is, so eto guys, no, meron siyang pink diamond or meron din siyang tinatawag na pink sapphire, no. So parang ganyan din siya, mga besh, no, ganyan siya. So it's a pink, and actually wala ito sa birdstones kasi we have like ruby, garnet, pearl, no. So ayan siya. So we have one set, no. This set is from Thailand. Ayan siya. So eto original ang kanyang mga stones, but the base is a gold plated, no, 10 karat gold plated. So hindi siya masasana talaga. But sa buy and sell ko kasi, may naghahanap talaga na pwede nilang i-pair sa kanilang mga dresses, no. So we have another set of gemstones. So this one is a garnet, no. Para siya kasing dark red. Dark red is different from ruby because the ruby is just like that. Ayan siya. Ito para siyang garnet, no. So ayan siya. So this is a garnet set of gemstones. Okay. And the other one, so it's still the same. It's a gold plated base, no, and the gemstone is original from Thailand. And this one, we have pearls, no. Ayan siya, pearl setting. So the pearl is June, no, June birthstone. This one is January. January is garnet. Then June is the pearl. July is ruby. Okay. And topaz is November. November ang topaz. Ayan siya. Yellow po ang topaz. So we have the topaz. The May is emerald. Emerald, no? Emerald. May. Okay. The violet is the amethyst, but we don't have any sample for the violet. Anyways, yes. So, ganyan po ang ating mga gems. So, I hope next time we can have different and complete birthstones, no? As of now, yan lang po ang ating ipapakita, no? So, for my next vlog, I hope na magkakaroon tayo ng complete na birdstones. So, we have a lot of pearls, no? Dami din natin talagang mga iba't ibang design and iba't ibang color ng pearls. We have the green pearls. And, ito ang ganda nito. Now, we can use this one as terno or sa ating mga damit, no? So we have this US fancy also, and for now, ang dami talagang naghahanap ng mga jade, no? This is a bracelet made of jade, and this one is also a jade, and we have a ring. Yes, this one. Okay, so ayan po siya.